all. Here corona cases are really rising. I hope in your country you are a bit safe, and here also we are safe till now, and I hope this corona goes away as soon as possible, because seriously it has really changed this Christmas time for us. And yeah, I get lots of queries about how to cope up with the German winters, because hopefully our air travel will start again, and students will start coming from other countries to Germany, and they are always worried that how will we cope with the winters in Germany. And I get few of the queries that how will you deal with the German winters. And I will say not only the German winters, also European winter as such, because I have also been in Ireland, and winters are really difficult to cope with, and I will share with you some of the things that which you have to take care to cope with these winters. I will start from the clothing items first. So if you are coming to Germany, or I will say any European country in winters, it is very important that you have a cap. You have ear muffs to protect the ear. It is that ear muffs are a bit optional, because some people feel a little bit more cold, and you're going to an area where it is too cold, then you will have to protect your ear also. And also it is very important to have a something to cover your neck. Like right now my dress is covering my neck. You can have a muffler or a shawl which covers your neck, because when the cold wind strikes, it really can make your pain in the neck. So it is very important that you cover this area and keep this area very warm. Doctors also recommend it, because otherwise you get more of the shoulder pain. So that is very important. And then gloves to protect you, and thermals depends that how cold is the area where you are going, because normally where I live in the west of Germany. It is not so cold here, but I don't need thermals, but still you can have a pack of thermals with you. And ski thermals are also here a lot popular, because people go for ski. So if you plan to go for skiing, then it is very important that you have a proper ski proper gear, that you have proper ski undershirt and underpants for the thermals. And most important is the shoes. Shoes should be thick sole, they should not be thin sole, they should be thick sole, because that is the thing which will touch the ground, and ground is pretty cold. So the moment that cold touches your if it reaches the feet and your feet turns cold, then you can really become sick, and it is not good for the joints and your muscles. So please be sure about the quality of the shoes. Yeah, socks, you can also have a thermal socks or normal socks, but you don't have to worry that much on that. It is not that cold here. Extreme winters are not here, but still like jackets also have to be like Indian. When we get something in India, it is according to that climate. So when you come here in Germany, you will find proper jacket only here. You will be able to buy it, and buy jackets from here. They are not very expensive. You can buy jackets at any different range is available, so you can have that. And yeah, it is sweaters also. Here if you go outside, sweater will not protect you that much from the cold, because it is basically the wind, that snowy wind. It really hurts. So jackets are the better option than the sweaters. Jackets also you will get at different place, like summer jacket, there is autumn jacket, and there is spring jacket, and there is a rain jacket or winter jacket. Summer jackets are a little bit light, like it is sunny, but still you want a little bit of protection. Or autumn spring jacket, when it can be cold at any time, so you want a light jacket. And then there is a winter jacket, when you need proper. Winter jackets need not be so thick, like it will make you uncomfortable, because we think the thicker the jacket is, more protection it will give. No, here jackets are of very good quality. They are lightweight, but still they will protect you very much from the cold. Jack Wolfskin is a very good brand, which I always recommend. North Face is a very good brand, which people normally wear here. So I think for clothing items, these items are essentials if you are coming to Germany. And some of according to the climate here, I think the best purchases will be made here, the country where you are going to. Yeah. Next very important thing is vitamin D. doctors are getting very particular about this vitamin nowadays, because here sunshine is not that much in winters, and coming from India or any other country where there is more sunshine, especially like from African countries, when they come here they have to take vitamin D, because otherwise their body, their genetically they want more vitamin D, so they have to take extra vitamin D. Same with the light. If you think that you need your body, or psychologically you need more light, people have special light lamps. They are available here also in the markets. They get better for just to keep the light in the room, so that you get positive vibes, and you don't miss so much sun. I also get curious about snowfall here. Here where I live, again in West Germany, there is not much snowfall, but in cities like Munich, states like Bavaria, or in south of Germany, there is a lot of snowfall. And sometimes here in Christmas, people are grilling outside. It is actually warm. And sometimes in my month of May, there can be snowfall. So winter will stay here till the month of June. You will have to be prepared about that. And snowfall, you will have to know before coming that in which area you are going to, and if there is what type of snowfall is going there. And I think protective gear and everything, your jackets should be reflective, for example, because in snowfall, or if it is foggy, you should be visible to the cyclists or cars. So it is very good that if your jackets have reflective colors. Apart from all these things, the most important thing which you need to survive the winters is the positivity. If you reach here and in the month of February, March, when it is totally gray, there are no leaves on the trees, it is totally brown trees and gray, you think, oh God, Germany is such a bad country, or you doubt yourself, you will get negative thoughts. There is nothing wrong with you as a person, there is nothing wrong in Germany as a country. The only problem is the weather. And there is a joke here. Whenever there is a problem, they say, weather is responsible for it. So whenever someone is feeling sad, they say, oh, it is just the weather. And if someone is sick, I am under the weather. So and actually it is true that weather here can be very dark, very gray. Sweden, it is another country, and it is a suicide capital of the world. Why? Because there are no sunshine, and sunshine is really related to your positivity, your positive thoughts. So if you're coming here in winters, or if you're already here and you're new to the winters here in Germany, so be ready for getting a little bit depressed, getting a little bit negative, but it is a temporary phase. Just light up your room, have positivity, spend time with your family and friends, and watch Netflix, and just enjoy a hot cup of coffee, chocolates, and just think that winters can also be very warm, warm as in the terms of the thoughts, and just keep yourself warm. And that is very, very important, that you stay positive here in winters, because people really get very depressed and negative in cold months here. I hope you found my tips very useful, and if you're moving to Germany or in any European country, you will be able to survive the winters because of my tips, and you think that I did a great job, I did even a teensy tiny good job, then please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And please do write to me in the comment box if I missed out on something, if you have any suggestion, if you have any query. I will love to hear from you. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and keep motivating me. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.